What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. I actually wasn't going to make a video about this today, but the more I thought about it, I just could not talk about it. I had to let you guys know about this dope new add-on, dope new accessory for my Tesla Model Y. And today we're going to be talking about these colored door seals from Hansshow. Now, as you can see, they are colored. They are illuminated, but they are colored. Now, I know Tesla makes their version of illuminated door sills, but as you can see, these are colored. The Tesla versions are just white, pure illuminated white, but these change from red to green to pink to blue, and I believe those are all the colors. All you have to do is put this little magnet here, and as you see, that's pretty bright out here, but you just have this magnet here, and once you find the color that you want, you just remove it. So I'm gonna go with red. Boom. Then you just take the magnet off and it will say that color. Now let's say I put this, I install it, and I want to change it later. You just put that magnet back and you can change the color. And they also come with rear door sills because on the Tesla Model 3 and Tesla Model Y, we actually don't have rear door sills already there. So this is actually something that's going to be added to the car, which will be really nice and add a little feature to the passengers in the back. And the other big difference between Tesla's illuminated door sills and Hanssshow's is that with Tesla, when you get their illuminated door sill, it actually is a replacement. So you need to take this thing off. And I've seen videos and it looks absolutely, I can never do it. It looks absolutely insane to try to get this thing off. And then you need to put the new one on. Now the one with Hansshow actually goes right over this. You just clean this off and you just apply it right over it. It's damn near plug and play. Now, I'm not gonna go into a crazy in-depth installation today. I'm just gonna install them, let you guys see what they look like. But down in the description, I will have a very detailed video showing exactly how to install these things. But yeah, here's what they look like. That looks great. Got the back seat, the other back seat. They look really nice. And then boom, final one. So yeah, as you can see, now you have them changing colors. It will cycle and cycle through this, and then if you find a color that you like, you just put that last magnet that's included, stick it right here next to the Y. Or if you have the Model 3 version, put it right next to the 3, and you will see that it will cycle through, and then you just remove that magnet and it will stay on that color. I also noticed that this thing has like a 15-20 second timer. I wish it lasted a little bit longer, but yeah, I think they look great. Hansshow was super kind enough to give us a discount code. So if you guys are feeling this one, make sure you guys head down to the description, get that coupon code. You actually can use it on anything on the site. The code is Tessie Vibes. Go ahead over there, do some shopping, modify your Model 3, Model Y, Model X or S. But yeah, use that code Tessie Vibes. And for more modifications and accessories, make sure you guys hit that playlist over there and subscribe to the channel to get more stuff like this.